So we are talking about another TikTok type of hair tip because this hairstyle here is so popular and a lot of people want to get it. So this is going to be a very, very helpful tip for somebody who wants to see that separation in the hair. So a lot of times when people have this type of haircut where the hair just is one big clump of hair in the front here, many times it just looks like you have all this hair sitting on the front or top of your head and it just looks way too much. And you want to have a little more separation or some texture to it. This hair tip is going to really, really help you. So what you want to do, and I'm going to get one of my hairsprays, which is my locked hairspray, which I highly suggest for this. And if you do want the TikToker hairstyle kit, it comes with Tidal Wave sea salt spray, the round brush for blow drying, and then locks. So I've got these at shop.thesalonguy.com. So after you blow dry your hair, right, and you've got the flips going on, everything feels good, this is going to be your best tool, your hand, and you want to take it almost like a claw. And the best thing you can do is you go in like this, and you're going to create, almost like, see here, you can see there's like each section of hair is through my fingers. So you go in like this, and then you actually kind of separate with your fingers like that, and then that is, see, it creates that separation. And then another thing you can do, you can go in with the locked hairspray. So you run your fingers through like this, you spray it while it's in the hair, and then as you let go, you then spray again, and then look, now there's all this separation right in through here, and then you can even just piece it out more, even more, accentuate it even more, like that, to show off those pieces here. And I'm trying to get this here on an angle. So it's all about going in and being creative with your hands and allowing for the hairstyle to do its thing. See how we've got like that separation here? And it's all done by using your fingers, all right? And a lot of times these little hair tips go a long way, all right? And then you spray the locked in and it's good. And then if you want to go back in, you can go, and then you can even do the twirl little twist that I have, the tip that I've shown in many of my videos. Then you go back in and you redo it with your fingers like this, or you can even go in with the hands, and then you could create a little bit of a tease at the base of the hair, and then there we go. Now we've created even, look at all that texture we've created, right? So it really comes down to you just being the artist on your own hair and adding that separation, and you're going to be good to go. And also, a lot of times people say, oh, my hair splits down the middle like this. My hair just splits flat, right? If you've experienced this, well, it's not that the hair is too long. You need to have the layers, but it comes down to the blow dry and the products. Usually, if your hair is too silky smooth, right, you don't have, say, the Tidal Wave sea salt spray in your hair, which adds that grit and that texture, the hair is always going to be very, very, very soft. That's why it keeps happening. So what you need to do is when you're blow drying your hair, you got to make sure you're using the right brush, the right technique, and then you got to make sure that you're adding that texture so that the hair does whatever you want it to do. It's not going to split because of all the teasing you did, or the blow dry technique, or the products. All of these things are really going to help so that you are able to manipulate and mold the hair. And look, we have no more center parting here because the hair up here is so textured that it's not going to do that, right? Also, you can use the tip I talk about where you put the palm on the base of your scalp here, and you kind of twirl around like this, and then next thing you know, you've got a little bit of some teasing going on to create some volume, and then you can go in and reshape it and restyle it. So, let me know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com for the hairstyle kit, the TikToker hairstyle kit, or any of these products individually. And it's free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.